How to check who unfollowed you on Instagram. So to start, we'll just have to open our Instagram application, and then in here we'll have to navigate to our account, and then once we're here on our account, we'll have to tap on these three lines, and then under settings, go to this account center option. Under account center, we'll have to scroll down and go to this your information and permissions option, and then in here tap on the download your information. After that, go to this download or transfer information, and then in here you'll have to select your account and then tap on next. After that, you will be given two choices, all available information and then some of your information. Since we only want the list of the accounts who unfollowed us, all we need to do is to tap on this sum of your information. And then in here, we'll just have to scroll down and look for this option, followers and following. After that, tap on the next option. And then in here, make sure you choose download to device option. After that, tap on next. So in here, before you request the list, you can also change the date range. So as an example, I'm going to change the date range from last year to last week. And then after that, tap on save. And then in here, tap on the create files option. And then after that, we will be redirected to this download your information option. As you can see here, I now have a pending request here on my Instagram. So what we need to do now is to wait for Instagram's response of the list of the accounts who unfollowed us. Once you receive an email from Instagram, all you need to do is to open that and then click on the download information so you will have the list of the accounts who unfollowed you. So that's how easy you can check who unfollowed you on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!